So I'll break the ice.
I was just feeling it in my bones when I was doing it.
There's light at the end of the tunnel.
हर एक गाने का हर एक लिरिक रट्टा हुआ है. He has an elephant's memory.
Do you want to sound more fluent and natural in English? Then stop using boring words. Because today I'm gonna teach you 10 daily use idioms that native speakers use all the time. These idioms will not only make your English sound smarter, but also help you express your emotions. For example, instead of saying I'm going to sleep, you will learn to say I'm gonna hit the sack. In this video, we are going to learn 10 daily use English idioms with meanings and simple examples. So make sure you watch till the end because idiom number 10 will blow your mind.
So I'll break the ice. I'll just
Yeah,
go in and be like, I don't see you.
When you meet someone new and situation feels awkward, you need to break the ice. Means to start a conversation. As for example, the handshake is a universal sign of greeting. It is used to break the ice with strangers.
Break a leg.
If someone says you break a leg, that means they are actually wishing you good luck. As for example, I hope you break a leg at your job interview tomorrow.
And her point was that, people in this industry are very thick-skinned, like really thick-skinned.
Thick skin means being emotionally strong. Some people get hurt easily. If you have thick skin, you can handle criticism easily. For example, you need to have a thick skin to be a YouTuber.
I was just feeling it in my bones when I was doing it, like when we were towards the end.
Ever had a strong feeling that something going to happen? Then you can simply say, I feel it in my bones. Means a strong inner feeling. As for example, he is going to win the game. I can just feel it in my bones.
We should probably hit the sack. It's getting late.
If someone says after a long day of work, I just wanna hit the sack, that means go to sleep. As for example, I am exhausted, so I am going to hit the sack now.
And I'm always trying to put out, there's light at the end of the tunnel.
If someone says you, don't give up, there is light at the end of the tunnel, that means a sign of hope. As for example, after months of hard work, I finally saw the light at the end of the tunnel.
हर एक गाने का हर एक लिरिक रट्टा हुआ है. He has an elephant's memory.
Someone never forgets anything, that means he has an elephant's memory. As for example, I have an elephant's memory. I remember that you are trying to improve your English these days.
He said he was under the weather.
I'm a little under the weather. I don't care.
If someone says under the weather, that means he is feeling sick. So instead of saying I am not well, you can simply say under the weather. That means feeling sick. As for example, Sam was under the weather, so he didn't come to office last week.
Hey, I don't think we've talked about this because the show is non-linear. It goes back and forth in time.
Ever seen something moving idhar-udhar again and again like pendulum of clock? That called moving back and forth. That means backward and forward. As for example, the pendulum of the clock swung back and forth.
Surround yourself with the right people who do not stab you in the back.
When a friend betrays you, that hurts the most. That's when you say he stabbed you in the back. As for example, I believed that he was my friend. I can't believe that he stabbed me in the back.